Guys, what's up? Look, I came out here yesterday to do a little work, had to go somewhere, truck wouldn't start. Of course, I've got a job tomorrow, got a big job start next week, or why would it start? So, I went and took the battery, did the whole thing, had it charged, tested. Weirdly enough, the battery tested good. I've never had a battery test good when I went and had it tested at a place that sells batteries. So then, brought it back, tested the alternator with a voltmeter, tested the battery first, 12 volts. Turned the vehicle on, tested it, still 12 volts. It's supposed to be a charging voltage of around 14 volts. So I know the alternator's bad. One last test. While it's running, I take the negative battery cable off. It stops running. That tells me the alternator's bad. Now I know what you're saying. Chad, you're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to take the battery cable off. It could just ruin the whole system, send the damn charge, ruin the whole system. Well, you know, there's a lot of things that could happen. I could get struck by lightning, but I'm here 42 years old. It's never happened. I'm still going to go outside when it rains. So let's get this fucking alternator changed. So the first thing you do, obviously, when you're working under the hood, you want to disconnect one of the battery cables. I disconnect the negative just because that's what most people do, and it's easier to get to. You don't have to deal with this plastic flappy deal. And I tuck it back behind here because I don't want that thing springing back up and touching it while I'm doing stuff. Now everything's disconnected. I've lost my radio stations. Time's changed. I'm going to have to get this belt off of the alternator. Now all this stuff's in the way. They'll tell you to take this off, but what I'm going to do is try to do it without taking all that shit off because I don't want to have to do all that. I'm lazy. Alright, so down in here there's a little breaker bar arm I'm going to try to get my ratchet into. Alright guys, so we got this damn ratchet in there. Guys, it's not going to be as easy as I thought. I guess I'm going to take this shit off. Alright, let's do it. So, this just takes a couple... Woo! This thing's shooting oil all over the place. Takes a couple bolts in here. A couple over here. We didn't catch this on camera earlier, but I was leaning over trying to figure this out, if I was going to have to take this off or not. And I ended up leaning onto that air ratchet, and it started screaming like it does and scared the shit out of me, guys. The shit. I had to go back in the house and change. Anyway, so we got this cover off, easy enough. I'm going to go ahead and put all my screws and such in there. Put that over there. Now y'all know damn well that's going to fall off and piss me off later on, but we're going to leave it there. Never have a flathead when you need one. Never have Phillips when you need one either. It's always 10,000 spoons and what you need is a knife. So I'll take these out. Ooh, that one's not very nice looking. That was all dry rotted. I had to go replace that. I'll take this thing off. There's a thing right here we can't forget about. See if there's any more. Anything else? Oh, of course. Well, maybe we can just get this bitch up out of the way. Hey, there we go. Alright. Now we can work a little bit. Hey, let's spray that off with some compressed air later. Let me clean my face off. Grease rag. Alright, so now take these bolts off first. Alright. Well, looky there. That ain't gonna fit, is it? Man, I tell you. And then this compressor will be kicking on any time, so it's gonna get loud, probably. Guys, you can tell this, I do this for a living. Yeah, welcome to my welding channel where we work on... Man, thank God for air ratchets and shit. Is this other one different size? Better not be. Alright. Here we go. Alright, guys. So we have to undo the positive wire to the battery. Whoa! Come on now. What are you doing? Oh yeah. There we go. Now what about this guy? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? Can't break it. Don't want to break it. Oh damn, I broke it. Well, hopefully that'll stay in there, or I'm gonna have to glue that shit. And fix another one. Who knows? Alright. So I'm not a mechanic. You see what I mean? Look, scratches, marks, dings. I mean, if I was a mechanic, I would have probably taken all that shit off and done it right. But we're gonna put the other one in. That's what happens when you're poor, though. You have to work on your own vehicles. We're gonna put the other one in, see if it's right. You know how AutoZone is. So, looks like they gave me the wrong one. This pulley's bigger than this one. Hey guys, what's up? Went back to, is it on? Went back to the AutoZone. Oh, that was already loose. Got the correct one. They had given me, I don't know if you saw in the video, I don't know what he actually captured, but because I got a camera guy today. They gave me the 8 groove. I have a 6 groove. So we're gonna put this bastard on. Can you see my fucking face, man? That's what you gotta have my face in it. God. Let's go. Let's back up. So I'm gonna kind of drop this down in there. So I can get to the top of everything. And then get these back up. Now, remember I broke the little plastic piece off, so it'll grip on there tight enough to stay on, and if it goes off, the battery will just go dead. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to go down in here and put these bolts in. Of course, there's just 2 bolts at the bottom. And we'll do the same thing with this one down there. Get it. Just kind of a few threads, so that way I know it's not going to cross thread on me. Yeah, good. All right. Oh, camera guy finally figuring out what he's pointing shit at. Not so close to the mouth. I used to have a step side, a 73 step side when I first started my first lawn business. Way back right out of high school. And me and my buddy had to change the head gasket on it. We both got in and sat down inside this damn thing. Yeah, that's how damn big it was on the inside and how roomy it was. But it also was easier. It seems like it was easier to get to everything. I don't know. Maybe not. Just back up here out of my way. Alright guys, let me spray this out. Are you recording? Shit, man, I just got better gas mileage by doing that. Oh yeah. Look at here. This is already here. Yeah. Air temperature something or another. What? Dude, I could have probably done this better myself. Alright. Are you recording? Okay. Let me put this back on here. And then let's get these hoses back on here. Tighten this. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm sure that's it. So I got those hoses, that. Gotta put the belt on. I should have done that before I put this on. Take this back off. Okay. Okay. Oh, we'll put this thing down around our breaker bar. Lift this up until we can get this. Now we can put this stuff back on, son. Alright, so that's locked back on. And we put the clip back on. Right? Oh, God. I swear to God, if I get this on here, and it's not right, guess who I get to blame? Camera guy! Camera guy, where you at? Okay. Alright. No extra screws or bolts laying around. Let's put this back on the battery. Hey. Are you recording? So anyway, we're done. The battery's fully charged, so it's gonna start. I'm gonna get my multimeter out, check it, see if it's got the 14 volts when it's charging, 12 volts when it's not, somewhere around there. But the best way to test it, like I said, is if I get done with my job tomorrow and then I can't start it back up, I'll know that I need a new alternator, and that one sucks. Now, I have a big job coming up this week. I'm gonna be working all week at the horse ranch. They accepted my bid, so we're good to go there. But I do have a job tomorrow, Sunday, today's Saturday. I have a job tomorrow up in Titusville, working on sewing up a hinge back on a dumpster for the trash panda. They're really good people. So anyway, I'm gonna get started up, test everything, and I got another video coming on my cheap little plasma cutter. We're going to turn it into a pilot arc. See ya. Yeah. Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
Wow. Where'd you go?
To your right.
Where?
In the grass.